Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I have my Walmart beauty box. This is like a seasonal box, so you get it in seasons. You don't get it every single month, but this is one of my favorite beauty subscription boxes. I love it because it's really cheap, and these are things you could find in Walmart. Cool little beauty steals. So if you guys want to see what I got in this box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so as always, before I get into my videos, I always like to introduce myself to anyone new to my channel, so welcome. My name is Aisha. I do lots of unboxings on this channel. I love beauty subscription boxes, so I do a lot of this on this channel, but I also do like makeup hauls. I do makeup mystery unboxings. Anything beauty related, you'll find that on this channel. So if you like makeup as just as much as I do, I would say subscribe to my channel and become a part of my YouTube family. If you like my videos, can you do me a favor? Give your girl a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. So before you go, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe and show your girl some love. Alrighty guys, let's get in. So this is what the cover of the box always looks like. It's very plain. It says Walmart on the side of the box, if you guys can see. Sometimes the white blends in with the bright lights. I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek. Okay, so as a correction, the box is now $6.98 to sign up. And like I said, it's a seasonal box, but it used to be only $5. But I mean, I guess beggars can't be choosers. It's not that much. Most subscription boxes have gone up in prices, so I'm still going to subscribe to the box because I do like the box. So I would say what I like about this box is sometimes when you get some makeup subscription boxes or beauty subscription boxes, there's things in there that you've never heard of. You don't even know where to find it, even if you wanted to buy it again, because it's like some random brand that you've never heard of. But this box, everything's in Walmart in the beauty section. So if you like it, you can just drive to your local Walmart and get it. So let's see what I got here. The first thing I see here is something I already use, which I'm excited to get again. It is the Real Technique Beauty Blender. So right off the bat, I'm super excited to get this because I have the Beauty Blender, but I feel like Real Technique like kind of mastered it a little bit, because when you wet this sponge, it gets so much more like bouncier, so much more fuller. I really like this Beauty Blender, a little bit more than the actual Beauty Blender. So I'm really happy for this. The next thing I got is an exfoliating body polish. It's the scent Pomegranate Seed and Shea Butter. So this is what it looks like. So I want to smell this because the Dove stuff always smells so good. Oh, wow. This smells so good. Like, if you want to smell good, use like any type of Dove cleaning products, bath products. Oh my gosh, this stuff smells amazing. Look, doesn't this look delicious? Like you want to just, oh, you probably won't be able to see it because it's really light. I mean, I could see it, but you probably won't be able to see it. But it has like little dots in it for the exfoliating. I can't wait to use this. Now, your girl loves Tree Hut. If you watched mine, let me see if I can feel, oh yeah, I can feel like the exfoliating beads. Your girl loves Tree Hut. I showed all of my, I want to say I probably have like 10 Tree Hut scrubs currently, not including the ones that's in my shower that I keep in there. I love their scrubs, but Dove, definitely give them a run for their money. I don't know how much these cost, but the Tree Hut ones are only like $8, so I always buy like a whole bunch of them because I can never pick a scent. Alright, so the next thing I got is a Sesame, I don't know if I said that right, it's makeup removal wipes. And you guys know your girl is forever buying wipes. This is what it looks like. We get 30 biodegradable facial wipes made for young, delicate skin, it says. So super excited to try this. It has a cucumber and aloe scent. The next thing I got is a Burt's Bees facial cleanser for sensitive skin. It says accepted National Eczema Association. So that's kind of cool. Like, I'm loving everything in this box. And then they gave me 2, what is this, daily serum from Neutrogena for stubborn blackheads. They gave me 2. It's a salicylic acid treatment. I got 2 of them. I don't know if that was by mistake, but I got 2. And then this tells you everything you could have got. So it says I could have got the Sesame, I don't even know if I'm saying that right, gentle cleansing wipes or the mask. I'm glad I got the wipes because your girl loves wipes. What else? I could have got the Bliss Glycolic pads. So these are everything. I don't know if you're going to see because for some reason anything white doesn't really show because my lights are really bright. But it has a picture of everything you could have got. So that's kind of cool. This is very, very cool. This one thing was the price of almost the whole price of the box because it was $4.88. I mean, it wasn't the price of it, but it was close to it with just this one thing. This retails for $10, so this was over the price of the box. So it is a very good deal. What did you guys think about the Walmart Beauty Box? I mean, it's just a seasonal box, but I love getting it. I don't care what nobody says. Everybody loves Target, but I think I find better deals in Walmart than Target. Like, they have cuter stuff. I mean, that's just my opinion, so don't come for me now. Do not come for your girl. I'm just saying, my local Walmart, I always find tons of cute stuff in here. And Target, I'd be struggling to find stuff. But I do love that Target has like a Starbucks in there. So that's kind of cool. And now they have an Ulta in there. But I absolutely love my Walmart. And then I go and pick out things that I got in my boxes. I love the Dove cleaning body products as well. So I'm excited for everything I got. I love this box. That's why I'm going to still keep it even though the prices went up. And I mean, the box is under $10. Like, how wrong can you be for getting a box that's under $10 and you get to try all new stuff? So very excited for this box. What did you guys think of my Walmart Beauty Box? Is any of my subscribers subscribed to Walmart Beauty Box? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, like, comment, subscribe, show your girl some love, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.